For my presentation, I reviewed ABCya, and it's a program for grades pre-K through 5. It's a gaming website for students that allows them to explore different games, discover, and learn more about what subject they may be learning in the classroom. I found this tool because I'm a tech intern for Gilbert Intermediate, and one of the teachers had asked me to look more into this website and try and find games that she could use in her classroom. And so I was just looking through it and thought it was really cool and thought it would be such a great tool for me in my future classroom. And also I found out that it's featured in so many places, and so I knew that it would be a reliable tool. It is found almost everywhere, so you can find it online, just plugging in the website abcya.com, and that can be on any computer, no downloading necessary. You can find it on the App Store, which you download onto your Apple products, so your iPod, your iPad, your iPhone, all of those tools. And then you can also find it through Google Play, which is downloaded to your computer, so you don't need internet after you have downloaded it from Google Play, which is really cool because many apps aren't through Google Play. Like I mentioned before, the grade levels are pre-K through 5. And it also covers so many subjects like math and literacy are the two big ones, but it does cover a lot of standards, and what's cool about it is the games show what standards it covers, which I'll show you guys later. The purpose of this tool is to allow students to kind of explore all the games while increasing their learning, so it's kind of they get to have fun while also learning. It's a handy tool because it is on so many different devices, so if your classroom may not have a one-to-one with an iPad, but maybe all the students have a computer, they're able to use Google Play, or even if they don't have that, it can be used on any device with just using the website, and all you need for that is Wi-Fi or internet. So it's really fun, and it allows students to enjoy learning. And how it meets the SAMR levels is the first one would be substitution. And one of the games that meets substitution is using base 10 blocks. So you can use base 10 blocks in your classroom with using the actual manipulatives. But with using ABCya, it actually has a game that students can use the base 10 blocks. And it does the same, it has the same learning from the students. It's just easier to find on the internet, less hassle, you don't have to keep the base 10 blocks anywhere. Modification is because in the Common Core, it has the Common Core standards, which makes it easy for the teachers to find games that correlate to their lesson or topic they may be doing at that time. And augmentation, because one of the games, like Ice Cream Talk, helps students find their nouns and verbs, but unlike many worksheets where they turn them in, you grade them, you give them back the next day, students get immediate feedback, which helps them learn quicker. One way I would use this in the classroom is using a game called Number Values, which, as you can see, covers many standards. I would use this because it's fun and it's interactive, and it helps students practice greater than, less than, and equal to with all grade levels. And so you could have it fit grades pre-K through 5th grade with using whole numbers, fractions, decimals, or mixed numbers, and choosing the level that may fit them the best. And so I would definitely recommend using ABCya in the classroom and have students kind of explore it and find the games that they think help them learn the best.